Have you ever wondered why this pigeon's neck is inflated? This bird is not your average pigeon. But what is it? But first, if you find this bird cute, then like and subscribe. This is Pouter Pigeon. These birds are known for their unique ability to inflate their crops, making them look larger than life. It's not just for show. This puffing behavior helps them attract mates and assert dominance. Pouter pigeons come in various colors and patterns, each one more stunning than the last. Breeders worldwide adore them for their beauty and unique characteristics. Whether in competitions or as pets, pouter pigeons always steal the spotlight.